This is a dictation at the rate of 100 words per minute. Yes. Start. Honorable Chairperson and distinguished delegates, I am privileged to address this distinguished gathering on the successful conclusion of the 8th G20 Parliamentary Speakers Summit P20. After 2 days of fruitful deliberations on important issues and challenges, the outcome has reaffirmed that it is the spirit of cooperation which has been the cornerstone of G20 success. I would like to congratulate Indonesia for the excellent organization and systematic execution of all its G20 summit events. Distinguished delegates, the baton of G20 presidency will pass on from Indonesia to India from December 1, 2022. I believe that on the basis of unanimous decisions that have been arrived at in summit, we would come together to take effective actions and find pragmatic solutions to global issues. Friends, with 1.4 billion of population, India is the largest democracy in the world. So, as above, the 8th G20 Parliamentary Speakers Summit P20 was held in Jakarta, Indonesia for 5th to 7th October 2022. The hybrid event brought together over 150 participants from around the world to examine the role of international standards to implement policy objectives related to health, digital transformation, sustainable energy and sustainable development goals. All the countries emphasize on shared efforts, best practices and dialogue to deal with present and future challenges before the world. India believes that global prosperity, economic opportunities and challenges are interlinked. We believe that parliaments of G20 need to collectively contribute towards further strengthening parliamentary mechanism, keeping in view the shared global vision and their national approaches. Together with the representatives of governments, industry, academia, think tanks and civil society, the summit addressed how the G20 goals of recover together, recover stronger can be built on the foundation provided by international standards. An Indian delegation led by Shri Om Birla, Honorable Speaker Lok Sabha, and consisting of Shri Hari Vansh, Honorable Deputy Chairman Rajya Sabha, and others attended the summit. The main theme of the summit was Stronger Parliaments for Sustainable Recovery. Under the aforesaid overall theme, 4 sessions were held on various sub-themes. During the summit, the Honorable Speaker Lok Sabha Shri Om Birla participated in the debate at the session 2 on the theme Emerging Issues, Food and Energy Security and Economic Challenges. He elaborated on India's initiatives for ensuring food and energy security for its large population during COVID-19 pandemic. Shri Om Birla was the keynote speaker for session 3 of the summit on the theme Effective Parliaments, Vibrant Democracy. During his keynote address, he highlighted India as the mother of democracy and elaborated how democracy is not only inherent in our culture and political values but is also an integral part of our ideology and our lifestyle. Honorable Deputy Chairman Rajya Sabha participated in session 4 of the summit on the theme Social Inclusion, Gender Equality and Women Empowerment. Friends, now I would like to invite you all for the 9th summit to be hosted by India next year. India gladly looks forward to welcome all the P20 delegates in the coming year. Stopped and over.